Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to hide location on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to hide location on Bigo Live. Maybe because you're a content creator and you have a lot of fan following, so you want to keep your privacy and you don't want any other person to get to know where you live or from where you belong. So you want to hide your location, or there could be any other reason for you to hide your location on Bigo Live. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Bigo Live, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open the app. Once app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of live streams and creators on our screen. Other than that, we have some options at the top of the screen and some at the bottom of the screen. Right now, bottom left option is selected and we have a lot of different content creators and live stream on our home screen. If you click onto this option, you will go to explore. Through this, you can create videos, and here you can go to communities and groups, and with the last option you can go to your profile, and here we have to go to profile. Therefore, just simply click onto this option, me, and then you will get here. There you will see the title of me on the left corner, and also see your profile picture, name, and some information related to your account. So from all these options, what you have to do here is that you just have to simply click onto this settings icon, this one. You just have to simply tap on it, and then you will land into the settings page. First, you will read the title of settings, and you will find different options here on your screen. So from all these options, what you have to do here is that you have to go with the first option, which is privacy. As you can see, you just have to simply tap onto this option, and then you will get into the page of privacy where you can manage different privacy options. Once you get here, first you read the title of privacy and find many different options. So from all these options, here you could see we have this first option which says hide location. Right now it is turned off. That means any other person, or maybe your followers or fans, could see your location if you have enabled it. But if you want to hide it, you just have to simply click on the button which is along on this option, this one. Once you tap on it, your location will be hidden, and no other person could get to know where you belong or where you live. So if you're okay with that option, like you want the location to be hidden, then you keep that option on. But if you don't want that, you can again click onto this button and this option will be turned off, and you ever want to again turn it on, you can do that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can hide your location on Bigo Live. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.